Good morning, Vietnam. Xin chào. We have arrived. We are in Ho Chi Minh, and it's the first morning. Just woken up and had breakfast, and we're just going to go on a little bit of an explore. We got here at 9 p.m. last night, and then straight into a grab, straight to our accommodation. Checked in, left our stuff, went for a quick walk, and then got her pho. Showed Lucy her first pho. She loved it. But now we're going to go find a Vietnamese coffee, have a little look around some buildings, and then I need to desperately get a trim because this is a mess. Alright, let's go. I don't know why I waited to cross. It's not like I haven't done this before. And then, yeah. Alright, found myself my first Vietnamese coffee. And it is good. It's really sweet, but it is good. But I don't know if I can tell the difference because I'm not even like a coffee connoisseur. It just tastes really sweet compared to at home. But it is good. I give it a 7. Strong 7. So we had our first Vietnamese coffee, which was alright, it was a bit mid. We also went to Notre Dame. I don't know if you can really see this, I'll show you, but the whole building is just a construction site. So we couldn't really do anything there either. But we're going to the post office, have a little look around, show you what that's like in there. It looks really cool on photos. And then I need to go get a trim, straight off to get a trim. And then yeah, go to some markets, do some shopping. Lucy loves spending and going shopping, so we'll take her, make her happy. And yeah, let's go have a little look. But yeah, there's Uncle Ho, the legend. The lid has been restored. Epic place. What was it called, Luce? Hurricane Hair Studio, Ho Chi Minh. Get there, get yourself the standard English short back and swap. Absolute vibes. £6. £6. Great stuff. Love to see it.
And it was like an hour as well. Like he experienced a woman's haircut. Like normally it's 10 minutes.
What were the little things called?
Clips.
I had clips in my hair. I had layers. It was an absolute service. Yeah, really pleased.
You've got a neck
Hurricane Studios, Ho Chi Minh. If you ever need a short back and swap, go there. So just headed back to the hostel. Gonna quickly wash this, sort it out. Gonna go to the gym because I've been lazy this week. So gonna go test out a gym, do a bit of a workout, and then go back, probably shower, get ready, and then go do some shopping, show Lucy the markets. Yay. And tonight go for a drink and show you Bui Vien Street because it is absolutely fucking mental. And last time I went 10 years ago, I had my phone stolen, but we're gonna go back this time. We're gonna secure it in the man bag and we're gonna be okay. Lucy over there. Look at her. Tackers. Not bad, like £2.50. £2. Gang gang. So we just went shopping, we went to Taka Market, and it was actually awesome because they don't pest you. Whereas now we're going to go to Ben Thanh, which is a nightmare. I remember it being a nightmare from when I last came. But trust Lucy, she bought some Solomon's and an Arc'teryx jacket. She saw it all over TikTok. And I got nothing.
I still need a bag.
Yeah. I'm looking for one of these, but like a multicoloured one.
And a bag?
Maybe a bag, but I can get that anywhere. But yeah, we're on our way to Ben Thanh now and we will have a little browse there. I've been told to avoid this market, but I am going to go and give it a try. We're going to Ben Thanh. Woo! When we can cross past here. Come on, you ready? Let's go. And we're in. Just like that, we made it. No, this fucking hell, I'm so sweaty. Christ. None of this is tickling my fancy yet. Oh, could get a nice suit. It's handsome as him though. Alright, let's go see what we can find. The tiniest little corridors. What are they saying? What are they saying? Does that have a price on it? I can't see on it. Maybe not. God, I am sweaty. I'm so sweaty.
How much are they?
This one?
Yeah. Okay.
This one like
1.2 mil.
How much?
So like £35, I think. Nah.
Okay.
It is hectic. Fucking just getting constantly pestered. Someone was rude to Lucy as well because she just bought some Solomon somewhere else. So I just asked them like what the price was, just so that I could see how much they'd try and overcharge it. And they wouldn't give a price because she just bought some. Fucking weirdos. Oh. At least we had a little look. Yeah, it's fucking mental. Like we're better off just going to the other one.
Yeah, that was fucked. She got like a massive strop on because Tom was just asking what the price was.
So
And there's actually good stuff in there. I actually would buy stuff.
just gonna go on a walk now, just have a little look around, see what else we can find. What are you doing for dinner?
What are we doing for dinner? I don't know, but I could definitely eat. I'm always for eat.
Well, I need to try a Bún Chả.
We'll find one then.
Yeah, I just don't know if I need to eat right now, but that is something that we need to find at some point. It is awesome though. It's so chaotic.
Honestly, it's worth paying 100,000 more to go to the other place than bartering with those fuckers.
Yeah. Like, even if you batter in Ben Thanh, they will start at something stupid and it'll still go down low, but if you don't buy anything, they just get angry. So you want to go to Taka. Go to Taka, it's a little hidden gem. It's so much better, they don't pester you, you can look around, and the prices they start at are really good. What we've got going on there?
That's a nice one.
So I'll just show you a little bit around the hostel. So it costs £3.50 a night, which is insane. You've got bathroom, cheeky little bum gun. Hello. I got my trim, which is looking fresh. I'll show you the room. Here she is. So bathroom in there, and then this is my bunk. So you've got everything you need. Lucy's just up there, and then this is what she bought. So she got these, and where's it? Oh yeah, and then an Arc'teryx coat because she's seen it on TikTok, so she had to get it. How much did you pay? 600 and 900.
500
500
and
and
950.
950. So what's that? 30, maybe like £42. Bad. And that was from Taka Market. Taka Market's good. It's so much better than going to Ben Thanh. Ben Thanh is a fucking nightmare. Like they just pester you constantly. But yeah, just gonna relax now, and then we're gonna go out for some drinks later. Go to Vietnamese Street. And some food. Fuck, I'm so sweaty, man. So good day so far. Smashed the haircut, smashed the Vietnamese coffee, smashed the banh mi, smashed the gym, smashed the markets. Lucy got some clothes, and now we are heading out for some food. I really want to try a Bún Chả. I've never had it before, and it looks incredible. It's basically just like Vietnamese pork with some rice. What's you going? Do you want to be in the video? Xin chào. I don't know, I just thought she wanted to be in the video. She's still following, bless her. Oh well. Yeah, gonna find some food. And then yeah, we're gonna go to Vietnamese Street
Show them
later.
your kicks.
Weirdo. Alright, let's go find some food. Alright, we found the spot. Go in here. What are you going for? Same. I'm gonna try Bún Chả, Vietnamese Hanoi style grilled pork with rice noodles. It's a fan favourite. It's one of their top dishes, so I have to try it. I love trying the local food. They might have the those spring roll things that you wanted to try. Yeah, just gonna order. I've got a beer on the way because I'm on holiday. Enough of a cheeky beer. This is gonna go terribly. hold my glass. Lovely stuff. And the Bún Chả has arrived. Scenes. Incredible scenes. So that is Bún Chả completed. It's one of Vietnam's top 3 dishes. So now I've had the pho, the banh mi and the Bún Chả. What's going on? Yeah, it was nice. It was literally just pork rice and some fish sauce. I didn't like the fish sauce because it stinks. It's like vinegar. I don't like vinegar at all. But yeah, it was pretty decent. Lucy pretty much had the same meal. But now
But paid a bit more.
paid a little bit more. And tonight we want to go to Bui Vien Street, but I only got like 4 hours sleep last night, so
We're debating out.
we're debating it. And tomorrow we're going to get up early, go to the War Museum, then we're going to the Coochie Tunnels, going to have a little explore, and then yeah, maybe
We'll
we'll go
have it
to
in the tunnel this time.
maybe we'll do the Bui Vien Street tomorrow, but it is mental. I just really want to go at night again, just see the colours. It's just insane. Anyway, we're going to go to the street market now and have a little look. So it's the end of a successful day 1. Lucy has just bought another thing and I still haven't got myself anything. I'm trying to find one of these mad t-shirts, but I just can't find it anywhere.
Okay,
But
in my defence, on my list was a pair of Solomons, a duffel bag,
and an Arc'teryx coat. So she did get what she wanted. I just want a crazy t-shirt and maybe a bag. And I did find one. Like I could have got a price the same with her, but I'm waiting to make sure I've got money left over on my last day, and then I'll go back and buy it. But yeah, very successful day. Fucking hell, that was smoky. But yeah, go back to the hostel now, and then tomorrow I will show you the War Museum and the Coochie Tunnels. Peace out.